All right, everyone, a quick update for QNT. Nothing really has changed on QNT. We're still holding our support box, and we're getting stuck from the high to the low at your 382 at 100. And if we do not get over 100, of course, we're just going to come back down here to this 97 to about $95 range. It just kind of bounce around. So, like I said, nothing really has changed. We did have this massive drop here off of that little market crash we had. And some people scooped up QNT at about 91 bucks, so congrats to those guys. A little bit cheaper price, but ultimately we've been just kind of watching this on the channel here on the 3-day chart and just kind of waiting for QNT to break out here at some point. Our little squiggly line is going to play out somewhat like this if we're going to squeeze every last little drop out of this support and downtrend. You can see at some point before mid-October or so, this thing's going to have to either break down and lose this support area at this $95 and go down, or we're going to break this macro downtrend and we're going to start finally going up on QNT here. So these are the last days, the last months, I would say, in my opinion, to get QNT at this $100 price area, and then I would imagine by then we're going to start going up, and then we'll be ready for that next bull run. And QNT is going to make millionaires. QNT is one of the better plays in my opinion. I am bullish on it. It is in my portfolio, and that is not financial advice, but it is one of the ones. It's up there at the top with Caspa, QNT, Caspa, and a few others. But yeah, QNT, I love this one. But ultimately, just kind of watch this $100 area. If we break over 100, let's go back to the daily chart here so we can get a kind of a sense. If we are going to make a higher low, a higher low here off of this bounce, get over the 382, you can see that we really need to break over this 786 area at about 109, 110. And that would get us over the 200, the downtrend, and ultimately, get us going back to the upside. But if we're going to just continue what we've been doing, I don't know. Oh, that's because I took it off the log. But if we're going to continue in this downtrend that we're in here, as you can see, it's just going to come back up here to the top, get rejected at this, what is this, about 106 area. Just do something like this little squiggly line here, as long as we're going to stay in the downtrend and hold this support. And then, like I said, we're going to either get squeezed up or we're going to get squeezed down. But I would imagine more likely than not, this strong support area, we get squeezed up. So yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. There is a chance, we could come back down to the low and test this September 2022 low at about, what is that, 85, 86 bucks. There could be one last flush down to that price area, and then we go out of here, of course. So, there's a lot of speculation, but it looks good. I do like QNT for a very good trade. So I'm going to hold on to this one until the bull run's at its peak, and we'll just take it from there. So just wanted to do a quick update on QNT and let you guys know that it's still holding up really strong at that support level, and we are coming to a head here in this downtrend. At some point, it is going to make a lower high or a higher low. Because you can see here, this is clearly a lower low at this $91 area. Somewhere in here, we're going to make a lower low. We're going to hold the $100 area to a T probably right here. But yeah, just speculation, of course, but at some point, and then we're going to start moving out of here, and we're going to bust through this downtrend line on QNT. As of now, though, we're just holding support. We're in a downtrend. The momentum is way down, and I would just figure it to continue going sideways like this, sideways and down until further notice. But that is great buying for us that are invested in QNT. We're just going to keep accumulating in this price zone until we go to the moon. So we will leave it at that on QNT. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.